Hello friends, today we are going to see about fillet our blend in Ansys Design Modeller Geometry. For that we can choose the geometry from the component system, and the geometry is presenting here. So drag the geometry box and release here. Then pick the new Design Modeller Geometry. Now we are entered into the Design Modeller Geometry. Here the blue color screen is the workspace, and this is the model tree. This tree plane helps to create the sketches. Now we are going to create a solid profile for the blend. That means fillet in Ansys Design Modeller Geometry. So for that we can select a plane to create a new sketch. Now I'm going to select a XY plane. This is my plane and this is the isometric view of the plane. Now make right click and click the lookout option for the sketch view and go, and before that take a new sketch. After that we can prefer the sketch tool. So now we are going to see about the blend tool. For that we will prefer a rectangle or any other solid to create a blend tool. Blend tool is to create the avoidance of the sharp edges and to create a smooth finishing of the sharp edges. So for that we can prefer a rectangle. So now pick the rectangle, a corner to corner rectangle. After that we will give the dimension for the rectangle, the horizontal dimension and the vertical dimension, and here I'm going to change the dimension like 50 mm and width 25 meter. Now our rectangle was completed and our basic 2D sketch was complete. Now we are going to create it as a 3D model. For that we can prefer the extrude tool. See, now I'm going to change the dimension of the extension. I'm going to increase the extension like 50 mm. See, this is the preview of our extruded object. Now finally I'm going to generate the 3D object. Click the generate option. See, we are seeing the 3D solid model. It has the sharp edges. See, these edges and these all are the edges. See, this green color highlighting all are the edges. So using the blend tool we will change it as a smoothen surface. So to create the blend, click the blend tool. It has the particular types. First we will prefer the fixed radius type, and here the dialog box was opened, and here this is the radius of the blend, and this is the geometry, which means the selected edge. So now I'm going to select this edge and I'm going to apply. See, this edge was selected, the blue color highlight edge was selected. This is the selected edge. Now I'm going to change the curvature radius. I'm giving a 1 meter radius. Now finally we are going to generate the option. See, we can change we can see the changes, and again I'm going to change 5 meter and again generate the option. See, the blend tool create a smoothen surface. It avoid the sharp edge and it remove the sharp edge. Finally it gives us a smooth finished surface. See, the edge was removed and the curvature or a curved surface was generated. So it is the blend operation in Ansys Design Modeller, and now and again we are going to see the second type in the blend tool. So here using the edge coloring we can see the edges highlightly by this option, by connection method. It will helps to identify the edges. So this is the new created surface edges. So these all are the sharp edges. Now we are going to prefer another method. So the blend and the variable radius. First one we saw the fixed radius, and the second one we are going to see about the variable radius in blend. Now click the various radius and rotate the object, change the side. Now I'm going to apply this side. Okay, so this is the edges, and here we are going to see about this. It has two types, smooth and linear. First we will prefer smooth type. Now I'm going to select the edges. So now I'm going to select this edge, apply, and this edge help me to create the variable feature in the selected edge. So this blue color highlighted edge is ready for creation of the blend operation. Here there is two options are available, start radius and the end radius. Now I'm going to change the start radius 3 meter and the end radius 6 meter. So finally we are going to generate the operation. See, this is the start radius and this is the end radius. So in between it will connect the linear surface. See, here we are seeing a converged type blend option. This is the start point and this is the end point. So gradually it will increases the radius to the end point, and it has two operations. The transition method, we can prefer a linear method also. So click the linear and the generate operation. See, a little changes. So the before or a previous operation, it's like a smooth operation, and it is a linear operation. See, the edges are a linear like a straight line, and the smooth edge gives us a curved area. So this is the difference between the two operations, smooth and the linear. So this is the features which are included in the blend operation in Ansys Design Modeller. So finally we are getting to end step of the blend tool.